Simplify your cooking with Uma. Today we are going to see a different kind of payasam which is made using puris. So this is a very special payasam also known as pala puri or puri payasam. This is I learned this payasam from my mother-in-law, and we generally make this on the last day of Navaratri, that is on Dashmi, Vijay Dashmi. So come, let's see how to prepare. See, one thing about this payasam is you should have it very hot. As soon as it is prepared, you should have it. If it cools down, it won't be that tasty. So I suggest that you should have it as soon as it is made. You taste it, it is very, very nice. Come, let's see what are the ingredients. So this is wheat flour. 2 cups of wheat flour I am going to take, and milk, 1 glass of milk. See, milk you can increase, like I am going to take 3 glasses, this 3 glasses of milk. If you take more milk, it will be sufficient to immerse all the puris that you are making. So actually you are going to make the puris and immerse them in hot milk, and then you are going to taste it. Okay, and this is copra or a dry coconut, they say. I've just taken a small piece, 1/4 of the coconut. Then this is sugar. I am going to take 1½ cup of sugar. And this is cashew nuts. These cashew nuts I have soaked for 6 hours in water, and I have drained the water and kept it here. And this is badam. This cashew nuts I have taken around 15 cashew nuts. And this is badam, around 10 badam I have taken. Similarly, this also I have soaked in water, and I have peeled the skin of the badam. So how to peel? It's not a big work, it's not very difficult. Just do it like this, and if it is soaked well, it will immediately come like this. You just remove them. Remove the skin and then use it. See, this way. So all this, and I have to remove it. And this is the cardamom, just 2 cardamom. As usual, I am going to ground it in that thing. So now what I am going to do is this cardamom, then badam, then this cashew nuts, and this copra, dry coconut. I am going to grind it in a mixer. See, I have made this into a smooth paste. So it consists of the cardamom, the almonds, cashew nuts, and dry coconut. Okay. So now I am taking in a container 3 glasses of milk I am going to pour. Okay, switch it on. This is boiled milk. So to this I am going to add this paste. Try to dissolve this completely without any lumps, and keep mixing, stirring for some time till it completely mixes and the milk thickens. See, you can see that it is dissolved and it is becoming thick. So at this I am going to add that sugar. Let the sugar also dissolve. So I am keeping the flame low. Don't increase the flame, and keep stirring. Meanwhile, I have taken 2 glasses of this wheat flour and knead it to make some puris. Add water very slowly Just the same way how you make the puris. See, it should be hard, just how you make puri, that way. Okay. So meanwhile, you please see here, this is also come to a boil and it has become thick. Everything is dissolved. See, you can see how nicely it has become thick. Okay. Now I am going to switch it off. Keep it down, some oil in it. Now we'll make the puris and make round balls out of it. So for the 2 cups I got around 10 puris I'm going to get. So just make puris the same way. Don't make very big puris, make small puris. I'll just make 2 and show it to you. This is wheat flour only. Just see. Don't allow it to puff up. Just remove it the minute it is done. Another way to do is, you can just fold this like this and then put it inside. Drain the oil. So similarly we will do the remaining puris and I will show you. Allow it to become little brown. Now you can remove it. Switch off the flame. Here is my hot milk or the payasam. Okay. To this I'm going to add them and soak it just for 2 minutes. So don't add everything at a time. Now I added around 4 to 5. Sufficient. Just pour like this. I'll show you how to serve it. So it is already 3 minutes. So I am going to remove the puris and I'll show you how to serve it. You can either take it in a plate or you can take it in a cup also. Plate is a convenient one. You can add hot, steaming hot, and now this is ready for eating. So these are the hot puri payasam. You can taste it. It's very, very tasty. All of you would definitely like it. And prepare it at home and share and subscribe my channel.